One in a
Happy and you know it say AP. Happy and you know it say AP.
What's good? It's AP. 1 in a billion and I'm back. Guys, I got some stuff right now. Okay, so here is my jacuzzi. And we haven't used our jacuzzi this whole summer so far. Reason being, look at my plug. Look at my poor plug. So, it's got a hole in it. So because of that, it's no longer working. So, I said, what can I do? I can't just throw away a $4,000 jacuzzi because the plug's not working. No, I bought another plug. So, I bought this new plug and I'm gonna test it out and see if it works. If it works, guys, we will be in business and we will be back to using our jacuzzi. So, what can I say? Wish me luck. Pray for me. Alright, guys, so first off, here's a public disclaimer. I am no electrician. I'm not an electrician, but I will attempt to fix this. I gotta do what I gotta do for my family, man. There's many things that I've done. Alright, now that I got that disclaimer out the way, let's see what we can do over here. Okay, that looks pretty simple to me. What about you? Let's remember these colors. We got black, green, and white. Let's see, is it moving? Nope, that one is not moving, and we don't want to strip it. So we're going to get a flat head to make sure we don't strip it. If we strip it, we will be messed up. All messed up. Okay, got 2 of the 3 out. Let me get something to get this, and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I got a manual flathead and a manual Phillips screwdriver. Let's see. Woo! That was in there tight, as it should be. As it should be. Let's go. Okay. Now we're gonna switch them. Switch them to this side. Let's see what we got. Yeah, that's what I want to see. I want to see it loose. Looks like we got to take this ground out. Give me that ground. Okay. Hopefully this will do the trick. Hopefully this will do the trick. Okay, come on. Come on. Let's see. Let's get this in here. Okay. I wonder if it was under it or what. 1, 2. Aha. If we put it under it, that would be perfect. I'll be back, y'all. Okay, guys, so I'm back here. I want you guys to see this right here. If you look closely, there are these, just like a gold plate at the bottom of each one of these. As you screw this in, the gold plate gets closer and closer. And what you want to do is you want to put each wire in between the gold plate, okay? And then once you put them in between the gold plates, then you just tighten them, okay? So I got this one in between the gold plate. I tighten it. In between the gold plate, I tighten it, okay? So I mean, I could just put the back from the old one on, but why not put the back from the new one on? Why not put the back on? Okay. Whoop. Okay, put this in my pocket for now. So it's like ready with the old back. So what about with the new back? Are you ready? Yep, you ready for that too. Ready for that too. So we did some repairs over here. Was I supposed to make it a little bit looser? Alright, here we go. Here we go. Oh, we do got this. Okay, guys. Wish me luck. When I turn this on, hopefully we will get some power to our jacuzzi. Ooh, I like how that swivel. I like it. light, guys. Do you see the light? It looks green to me. Now, it's only one thing to do. See if it's working. Hey. You see that? Hey, 1 in a billion. 1 in a billion. Yeah, I know I haven't opened this in ages. We haven't opened this in ages, so it looks absolutely disgusting. I have to clean it up. But, do you guys see that? We now have power on our jacuzzi once again. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Guys, I am so ecstatic, man. I'm so happy. I just did this myself. No electrician. I mean, they could have charged me thousands of dollars to do this. I've been every week, I've been doing something different. I've been fixing something different around the house. I love this, man. I love amazing myself. Okay? I love amazing myself. I love doing stuff on my own. It makes me feel so good. So, guys, I just fixed the Jacuzzi Hot Tub. I just fixed that myself. I just saved myself thousands of dollars. How should I reward myself? I mean, when you save thousands of dollars, what should you do? What should you do? Is that more money to buy some sneakers? Even though, you know, I only buy the kicks that I like. But I'm saying, saving money and doing stuff myself feels good, man. It feels good. So now my family will be able to enjoy getting in the pool and jacuzzi once again. I'm blessed, man. What can I say? I challenge myself to be better every day, to do things better than I did it the last time. And once again, I have achieved another goal. I mean, you guys should have been there just a couple weeks ago. No, just last week. Just last week we were having a week from today, we had a birthday party. And at that birthday party, my toilet stopped working. So I went to Home Depot. First I looked up videos on how to do it. Then I went to Home Depot. I bought the part. I came back home and I fixed the toilet. It was a plumbing job that could have cost thousands of dollars, but your boy AP 1 in a billion fixed it himself. So all I can say is this: I don't compete with nobody, but when I see a man do something, I say, look at that man and look at me. If he can do it, I can do it too. I know I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I know the power that I have. So I'm like, watch me do this too. It's just all a matter of time before I figure it out and I get it done. I'm AP 1 in a billion and I'm out. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe now.
Happy and you know it say AP. Happy and you know it say AP.
That's what I was doing before we left.
What?
It's way cleaner already, right?
You know, so many leaves in it. What's with Zay?
In the hideout.
Zay, look! Whoa!
Josiah! Press this button. Oops. Let's see.